Alright guys, welcome to another giveaway, and this time we're doing the Recon Expert. So right here in item shop, you guys will see that Recon Expert, and you guys want to sign up for this really good giveaway, you will just need to follow 3 simple steps I'm going to show you in just a second. So right now, here's the Recon Expert, and yes, we can gift it right now. It is an option to gift. So all I have to do is just gift it to anybody that wins this giveaway. Now there will be several winners, so just watch out for that. And that's it for this video. So just follow these 3 simple steps in order to qualify for a chance to win Recon Expert. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass. If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.